Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Minecraft new launcher. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to your start menu over here on the bottom left, and after that just simply search for Microsoft Store. And after that guys, just simply go ahead and click on the Microsoft Store over here, and an application will open up, and just simply go for the search icon at the top over here guys, and just simply search for Minecraft launcher. And now from here guys, as you can see, you should be able to see here the very first one, so just simply click on it, and after that just simply go ahead and click on get over here, and from there guys, a pop-up window will show up. And as you can see, just simply go ahead and select a destination file. So let's say I'm gonna add it on my local disk D. And after that, just simply click on install over here, and it will automatically install into your PC. And now just simply wait for it to load up. And from there, you can just simply click on play, and you should be able to use the application. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching. See ya.